In this video, we will learn different variable types associated with SPSS. In order for your data analysis to be accurate, it is important that you correctly identify the type and formatting of each variable. SPSS has special restrictions in place so that statistical analysis can't be performed on inappropriate type of data. Information for the type of each variable is displayed in the Variable View tab. Under the Type column, click any cell and a blue dotted line will appear. Click the blue dotted line. The Variable Type window will appear. You can see this dialog box to define the type for the selected variable width and decimal place. Numeric. Numeric variables have data values that are recognized as numbers. This means that they can be sorted numerically or entered into arithmetic calculation. Importantly, numeric variables in SPSS can also be used to denote nominal or ordinal categorical variable. Examples of variables that could be entered as numeric variable in an SPSS dataset includes continuous variables that can take on any number in a range, such as height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. In this situation, the measure setting should be defined as scale. This type of numeric variable is appropriate to use in arithmetic operations. Next is counts. Example, number of people living in a household should be treated as numeric variables with 0 decimal places. In this situation, the measure setting should be defined as scale. Next is nominal categorical variable that have been coded numerically. Example, recording a subject's gender as 1 if male or 2 if female should be treated as numeric variable with 0 decimal places. In this situation, the measure settings must be defined as nominal. This type of numeric variable should never be used in mathematical calculation nor used in any statistical procedure requiring continuous numeric variable. Next, ordinal categorical variable that have been coded numerically, such as a questionnaire item with responses 1 to mean small, 2 to mean medium, 3 to mean large, should be treated as numeric variable with 0 decimal places. In this situation, the measure setting must be defined as ordinal. This type of numeric variable should not be used in any statistical procedure requiring continuous numeric variables and not appropriate to use ordinal variable in mathematical calculation. Strange. Strange variables, which are also called alphanumeric variables or character variables, have values that are treated as text. This means that the values of strange variable may include numbers, letters, or symbols. Comma. Numeric variables that include commas that delimit every 3 places to the left of the decimal and use a period to delimit decimal. SPSS will recognize these values as numeric even if they contain commas or use scientific notation. Example can be 3001/2. Dot. Numeric variable that includes periods that delimit every 3 places and use a comma to delimit decimals. SPSS will recognize these values as numeric even if they contain period or use scientific notation. Example, 1,234,000 567 and 89 hundredths. Scientific notation. Numeric variables whose values are displayed with an e and power of 10 exponent. Exponents can be preceded by either an e or a d, with or without a sign, or only with a sign, no e or d. SPSS will recognize these values as numeric, with or without an exponent. Date. Numeric variables that are displayed in any standard calendar dates or clock time formats. Dollar. Dollar are numeric variables that contain a dollar sign before numbers. Commas may be used to delimit every three places, and a period can be used to delimit decimals. Custom currency. Custom currency are numeric variables that are displayed in a custom currency format. You must define the custom currency in the variable type window. Custom currency characters are displayed in the data editor but cannot be used during data entry. Restricted numbers are numeric variables whose values are restricted to non-negative integers in standard format or scientific notation. The values are displayed with leading zeros padded to the maximum width of the variable.